Good evening, YouTube friends. Do you ever have times where you just get really frustrated and you're just not sure how to fix something? And you've tried all kinds of different things and you're still nowhere better than where you were when you started? Well, that's where I am tonight. My name is Jim. Thanks for visiting my channel, Off Grid Living with the Bennetts. What my problem is, it's a plumbing problem. So if you are a plumber or you are a pipe fitter, then maybe you have the answer for me. Let's just take a look, see what my problem is. Are you planning on buying yourself a hot water heater? And are you going to order it online from Amazon? Well, then this video is for you as well. Okay, so I had an on-demand propane hot water heater. In one of my earlier videos, I talked about how I kept not getting water because I was getting a downdraft, and I had to open up a window in order to get an updraft to get my propane heater to work. Well, what happened was one night I got done showering and I left the window totally closed. I got a downdraft and broke the line, so I went and got it fixed. So once I got it fixed, I was fine until it happened a second time. So what I've ended up doing is going to a small propane or a small electric hot water tank. This is actually working quite well for me. It's just sitting here temporarily because it was leaking. So I thought I had it fixed, but it's still leaking again. So here's what my problem is. This towel's wet. If you look close right there, you can see it's leaking. So when I'm done showering, what I do is I turn the water off. And then I relieve the pressure. And once I do, then I'm fine. What the problem is, I need to fix it. And here's what the real issue is from what I've come up with. Right here, when this spigot comes out, this is supposed to be screwed on, which is my PEX. Well, I couldn't get fitted on there. It would go on. I give it like 2 little part turns and it wouldn't go any further. So what I did is I went to a plumbing shop, and as near as what I can figure, this is made in the States. And so this is an Imperial fitting. This is made in Canada. This is metric fitting. So what I was told is put lots of Teflon tape. I bought this little adapter. This goes from the male to the male. And then instead of putting this on and tightening it up, I get this one and I put it down and I tighten it up. So basically what I've done is I've just put a collar in there, and the collar is metric, and I was told to put lots of Teflon tape on it. So I did. I put lots and lots of Teflon tape on it, and it still leaked. So then what happened was I was at Home Depot and someone said, the more Teflon tape you put on, the worse it is. It's not going to help it. You need to put pipe dope stuff on it instead. They said, do not put both, just put the pipe dope on. So I put it on and I tightened it up as hard as I possibly could. And you can see right here, as soon as I turn the water on, I don't know if you can see it or not. There it goes. Starting to leak again. So what I have to do is have to figure out how to make it stop leaking. Now, maybe I can order packs. I don't know. My American friends might be able to tell me. Can I order packs that rather than it being metric, it could be imperial? Because if I could, then I can get this piece here and I can just get rid of this collar and just screw that right down. Because what the plan is to get rid of this pipe, put some insulation in there, and then mount this thing on the wall. That's only a small tank, and they don't recommend it for showering, but I don't take long showers, and one person did a review and said him and his wife both shower, and this tank works fine for them. So it works fine for them, it should work fine for me. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just pop this valve off, put a hose in it, and siphon the water out when I'm not when I'm away. I'm kind of disappointed there's no drain on it. But anyways, that's what I'm up against. Let me know what you think. Give me a comment. And especially like I said, if you're a plumber or you're a pipe fitter or you're one of my American friends, let me know whether I can buy a PEX female connection or not. Anyway, subscribe to my channel, and we'll talk to you again.